this is our Bridgeport milling machine. It's got the variable speed head, 42-inch table, and it's had a full rebuild. So stripped down service, complete repaint, regrind to the X, Y and Z axes, brand new lead screws, all sorts of new bearings all throughout the machine. Brand new bearings, belts, and a lot of new pulleys in the variable speed head there. The spindle has had new match pair super precision bearings, NSK, fitted to the spindle, and then a regrind to the R8 taper. So it's absolutely a beautiful machine. So I'm going to give you like a little video demo of it now, and then please come down and see it for yourself in real life. If you feel like it, press subscribe down the bottom there. That'd be great. Thanks. Okay, so as I say, lovely smooth all the way across. Brand new lead screw, double nut systems are brand new as well. Almost no backlash at all, absolutely beautiful. This is a safety handle, so it's actually, if you've seen a little bit of slack, it's the handle, not the actual axis itself. Okay, same with the Y. This hasn't got a safety handle, so almost no backlash at all. Absolutely beautiful and smooth all the way across. Brand new lead screw, brand new double nut system in there as well. Regrind, and then the gibs has been tear sighted and scraped back in as well. Same with the Z, all been reground, and then the gibs have been re-tear sighted and scraped back in. Absolutely beautiful. There's a brand new lead screw, brand new single nut in there, and then there's a brand new, there's a large bearing on the top of the knee there. That always gets replaced as standard. All the locks, the X, the Y and the knee have all been serviced and all working perfectly. Now there won't be any point doing all that regrinding and all that rebuilding if you didn't replace the lube system. So we have brand new pipes, brand new metering units, they're all great. There's a brand new pump down there as well. The ZX's handle, these are really nice chromed handles there, that's actually brand new. Moving on, the power feed is in a line X-axis, and it's the CE500PX model, so it's the highest power one you can get, and obviously it's brand new because it comes with a 1-year warranty. So powering that up, it's variable speed, so that's about the slowest it'll go there. You should be able to see it's still moving on the X-axis on the DRO, and you've got rapid override at any time. Take your finger off and it goes back to feed, and same the other way. So these stops, you can move them wherever the job happens to be. Don't take them off. There's some hidden stops under there as well, so don't take them off and you'll be absolutely fine. It'll keep the machine or stop it from over travelling. Okay, so moving on, we're now going to test the variable speed head and the Quill. Just turn the light off, make life easy for you. Okay, so firing up the head, we're currently running at around 600 RPM. Hear how quiet that is. As I say, there's a load of new parts in there. We spent an absolute fortune on the head and a lot of time as well. Okay, so we'll test the Quill now. So don't try and engage the Quill if it's all the way at the top or all the way at the bottom. It's just the way the mechanism works. It needs to lift before it can actually engage. Okay, so engage it by pulling this lever over to the left. If you need to reverse it, you just pull or push this feed reverse trip lever in or out. So that's at the highest feed rate now. So every spindle speed you get 3 different feed rates. So that's the highest. That's the slowest when it's horizontal, and that's the medium when it's on the down position. So they're all working great. So let it come all the way down now to the stop, which is adjustable, and then it'll trip out for itself. There you go, trips out fine. And again, so I'm going to reverse it now, but I'm going to come off the stop first, and then I'll reverse the feed by pulling this lever out, and then I'll engage the feed again. You see that engages really nicely. And again, you've got all the different feeds going up as well. They're all working fine. For this light we fitted here, it's IP65 sealed against any coolant ingress or moisture ingress. Okay, there's a little rubber button on the bottom to turn it on and off, just in case you wonder where the switch is. Okay, so let's test the spindle now. So let's go all the way to the top. That's around 2,800. You hear how quiet that is. It's super smooth. 2,000. Back down to 1,000. And then 600. In reverse now. Just as quiet in reverse. There's 1,000. There's 2,000. And there's 2,800. Okay. So I'm going to swap from high to low range now. I'm just going to move this handle out of the way, the Quill handle. Now this is a multi-position handle, so if I put the lock on, I'll go all the way to the top, put the lock on, I can move this handle wherever I need it to be, and it just, once you release it, just shoots back in and engages for you. So it's a really nice system. Okay, so push this the high range handle in, and push it to low range, make sure it's locked in, fire it up. It's just as quiet in low, running at 325 now. There's middle distance, 120, and back down to 60. And reverse, 110, 160, and all the way up to 325. Just hit the brake just to show it working. Okay, so now I'm swapping from low to high. Before I do that, I'm going to go to the neutral position. There's a little notch there, and when the handle is sort of pointed towards the table, that's the neutral. So the spindle will now freewheel for you. So if we're clocking up any PCDs or anything like that you need to do. So push the handle in again now, and then back to high range. Make sure it's locked in before you fire up. And there we go. Fires, changes just fine. There we go. Absolutely beautiful machine. So this one's also fitted with a 3-axis DRO system and a Techno Pewee guarding system. I just want to demo the guard now. So the spindle's running, power feeds on. You can open the guard like this, or all the way open like that. It's got interlocks on both, so whatever you do, it will shut the whole machine down. If you went like that as well, it will also shut down. So there we go, completely safe for you. So turn everything off. Then to reinitialize, as you see, the guard the machine doesn't just restart when you close the guard. You have to press this green button, and then the machine is back initialized again, and we're good to go. Okay. There's a coolant pump in the back. It's all brand new piping as well, and so yeah, absolutely perfect, beautiful machine. Please come down and see it for yourself in real life. Thanks for watching, and please press subscribe if you can. Thank you.